the fact that we need to go to the next phase and looking at green recovery, and Pim, I'm sure will have a view on this, and the EU recovery plan, which is front and center at the moment. We've heard a lot about hydrogen lately as one of these key levers in energy transition. Pim, do you want to take that point up?
Sure, and just to also second what Louise just talked about, I think it's really key in this recovery that we demonstrate to the citizens that we can really create high quality jobs that have a chance of withstanding future shocks. And actually on that note, it's also interesting to look at what evidence we have to look at what stimulus actually works and what stimulus actually leads to competitive economies and job growth. And I don't know if you've seen the recent study at Oxford University by Nicholas Stern and Joseph Stiglitz and a few other economists. They actually analyzed green stimulus versus regular stimulus in the 2008-2009 financial crisis. And they actually found that green stimulus measures produced more jobs. It delivered higher short-term returns to the government, and it also led to increased long-term cost savings. So it's very encouraging to see that this new EU Recovery Fund puts a lot of emphasis on, for instance, huge infrastructure renovations and investment in green buildings that will lead to good and green jobs. Just quickly on hydrogen, yes, definitely this is a key to the energy transition. We've seen it coming back in the industrial strategy. It also comes back in the current EU Recovery Fund that was introduced yesterday. Obviously, wind and solar will continue to play a major role in decarbonizing the economy because they have become the cheapest source of electricity, which is also a second effect of a lot of the stimulus that was put in 2008, 2009, not to mention in the US. But if you look at the heavy duty sectors such as steel, chemicals, heavy duty transport, then these wind and solar power, well, electricity is too expensive, or it's too difficult to electrify. So, so the short answer is that yes, hydrogen will play a major role in decarbonization.